Hi, welcome to the next episode of Jesigns Create, and once again I'm Shunli. So today we have a 1588 square feet of EMs to show you, and today we have Royston here with us to show us in depth of the design.
Okay, hi everybody, I'm Royston. So today we'll be showing you a beautifully designed modern residence where we make sure 3 points meet together. So we have elegance, comfort and functionality. Okay, let's go. So for a start, this space actually, if we know, is a study room, kitchen and then balcony. So we break these 3 spaces into 4. We have now a man cave, we have a dry pantry, we have a kitchen and then a dining. So let's start with the man cave first. Okay, starting off with this 2-leaf French door. So this is where the homeowner wants to keep his very prized collection. So we have designed this carpentry where he has his display. Everything is carefully detailed, spaced out so that he can fit individual items together. Then this is actually a Murphy bed at the back. Okay, and then his study area is over here. So as we move on, we will go into the dry pantry. So we actually break this study room a little bit smaller, erected a new wall, and then we come into the dry pantry. So this dry pantry serves its purpose. We have ample storage. So this part we chose a very nice sintered stone to blend in together with the whole luxury theme all the way to the floor. And then closing up this wet kitchen, we have synchronized doors at the start and the end. And then if you notice this whole part, right, there's actually a pipe. So to maintain this original kitchen usage functionality depth of 600, we also in the end created a display cabinet at the back, which we'll show you as we walk along. So behind this tabletop, actually there's a big pipe. Yeah. But then we put the whole kitchen cabinet forward, and then we retain the remaining depth for the display cabinet at the back. Okay, with the condiments tray, green oven, and then the usual kitchen setup. Okay, with this double volume window here, it allows natural light to flow through this whole dining space where we host guests or we have just quiet evenings together with the family. And then looking up also, you can look into the master bedroom from here. Coming into the living area, we actually keep things very simple. It's just a TV feature wall, a very huge one. The entire space is a TV feature wall together with the console. So this is the display cabinet that we talk about. So we declutter the feature wall area. We have the display here, we have his collections in the man cave, and then we also have the ample kitchen storage so we don't clutter the TV feature area so much. So now coming to this staircase void area, I'll hand back over to Shunli, where he will share with you guys how do we come about doing this.
Thank you, Royston. So this is the special railing that we have been all waiting for. For this special railing, I have to bring you back to the factory where it's all begin. First thing first, we got to take note is to map out the entire stairs. Then we proceed to reimagine the safety height of the railings and the degree of slants, and most importantly, the thickness of the 2-tier railing as you can see from the video. The technique for this railing is pretty simple. We use a wrap method and kept the existing railing wrapped within the new railing. And because of the thickness, we will have to wrap it with another layer. As you zoom in the details, you can see that absolutely no joint line for the entire layer of the railing itself, and also the tiles that are selected are specially 1200mm format, which eliminates the tiles joint line in general, and over here we seal the edge with a strip for a more sleek look. Alright, so now let's head up and head back to Royston. Let's go! Alright, Royston, here you go.
Let's go. So at this common foyer space, we actually designed this washing area for the homeowner with the drying rack at the top. So two spaces need to give way. Common bedroom, common toilet. So later you will still see how functional the common toilet is even though we make it smaller. So this is the foyer space where we got the washing machine area, we got the dry pantry where they can have the water from their water dispenser, and then this is the common toilet. Have a look. So they still have a vanity, a wet shower area, and then yeah, WC. Okay, come on in, let's see the master bedroom. Okay, so for the master bedroom, check out the flooring. It actually transitions from tiles now to the herringbone vinyl. And then we keep this space like a private retreat from the busy space downstairs, you know, from the hosting. We actually can also view the hosting from the room. Let's say we are parents, we're looking down at our kids doing their work. We can see them from the master bedroom. Okay? And then last look at our master toilet.
Thank you, Royston. So we hope you have enjoyed this episode of Jesigns Create. So one question for the audience, how many skylight do you think there is? So leave your answers in the comment section.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.